There are things you need to stop or control if you want to prevent your kidneys from failing. In today's video, I will share with you 6 of them. The kidney is a very crucial organ when it comes to the human body. It removes toxic or waste substance from your body. It also removes excess fluid or water from your body. It is the kidney that controls your blood pressure. So this means that the kidney is very important. Once the kidney tries to fail, it will cause a lot of havoc within your body. I have made a video explaining 7 warning signs you will notice when your kidney starts failing. After watching this video, you can find time and watch that video too. The reason why we encourage you to take matters pertaining to your kidney very serious is because when your kidney fail, there is a little that we can do. The modality when it comes to the management of kidney failure is only two, which is dialysis and kidney transplant. With dialysis, a machine is fixed to you. We will remove all your blood, then we will filter your blood, and then we will transfuse it back to you. And with kidney transplants, someone donates one of his kidneys, and then we will do a surgery and transplant it to you. One thing that is likely to happen is that you can have a transplanted kidneys, but your body can reject that kidney. Let us move straight into the video. The first one is uncontrolled hypertension. When high blood pressure is uncontrolled, it causes a lot of pressure or strain on your kidneys. So it makes the workload of your kidneys becomes very high. So initially your kidneys will try to compensate, but it will get to a certain time that it will break down. So that can indirectly lead to your kidneys failing. The second one is diabetes. Now, diabetes has a complication on your kidneys. It can affect the blood vessels supplying your kidneys. And once those blood vessels supplying your kidneys are being affected, it indirectly can affect your kidneys and make your kidneys to start failing. The third thing we should look at is medications. There are certain kind of medications which include painkillers and some herbal medications that can put you at a higher risk, predispose you into kidney failure. Specifically, these painkillers called NSAIDs like ibuprofen, diclofenac, naproxen, felvin, these kind of painkillers, they intend to reduce blood flow to your kidneys. So once your kidneys are not getting enough blood to filter, their function in the human body will start depreciating. And that is how these painkillers, specifically NSAIDs, predispose you into having kidney failure. The fourth thing we should look at is dehydration. Now, if you are one kind of person who doesn't take in water at all, it can predispose you into having kidney failure. This is because it reduces the amount of fluid being sent to your kidneys for your kidneys to function properly. And once your fluid level reduces, it makes your urine concentrated. And there are certain crystals in your urine called uric acid and some other crystals. They can stick together and form stones. As they move through the nephrons, which filter your blood in order for you to get your urine, they get stuck, and that can lead to kidney stones. So dehydration is very key when it comes to kidney failure. So you should be taking a lot of water in order to make your urine diluted to prevent these crystals from sticking together, which will predispose you into getting kidney stones. Fifth thing is long-standing infection. It can predispose you into getting sepsis. Sepsis is your body's abnormal response to a focused infection that indirectly can affect certain organs within your human body, including your kidneys. So a long-standing infection can predispose you to having kidney failure. The final thing is long-term use of smoking or alcohol. When you smoke, they intend to affect your blood vessels supplying your kidneys, and that indirectly can also affect your kidneys. Also, alcohol can also cause a lot of strain on your kidneys. So you should also limit your intake of alcohol or smoking. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.